and good afternoon to everyone. My name is Jordana Ilhan and today I will be presenting on the food and beverage F&B industry with a focus on McDonald's Corporation. Specifically, I will be exploring the nature of McDonald's business and how it has become a leader in the fast food sector. So the first thing I would like to share some insight about McDonald's Corporation. This is one of the leading names in the fast food industry. It is known for its extensive menu of hamburgers, cheeseburgers, and french fries. Also, McDonald's has a massive global presence. Second thing is company overview. As you guys know, McDonald's operates in the food and beverage sectors. It serves millions of customers daily across over 100 countries. The company was founded back in 1940 by Richard and Maurice McDonald's in San Bernardino, California. Since then, it has grown into one of the most recognized brands in the world. Next, in terms of global presence, McDonald's has nearly 40,000 restaurants in over 100 countries. This extensive network allows the company to serve millions of customers daily and can maintain its leadership in the fast food industry. Next, for the key objective, McDonald's key objective is include global expansions, menu innovation, sustainability, and maintaining high standards of food safety and customer satisfaction. These all objectives are supported by a robust and efficiency supply chain network that helps deliver on these promises. The last one, in terms of vision and mission, McDonald's mission is to be our customer favorite place and way to eat and drink. This mission highlights their focus on customer satisfaction and convenience. Their vision is to be the world's best quick service restaurant and experience by providing quality food, excellent service, and a welcoming environment. So to conclude the nature of McDonald's business, McDonald's continues to evolve and innovate, focusing on expanding its global presence while maintaining its commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. So that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Hi, my name is Nurin Aisha binti Rahimi. I will explain about 7-step process to select supplier for McDonald's. There are 7 process of selection supplier. The first one is supplier identification. Second is request of information RFI. Third is pre-qualification. Fourth is request for proposal RFP. Next is supplier audit and inspection, trial period, and lastly final selection and contract. The first step is supplier identification. The first step in supplier identification is through market research. This involves consulting trade journal, industry report, and online database. Additionally, attending trade show and industry gathering can help network with potential supply and stay updated on the latest industry development. Check the listing of leading suppliers on the website of trade association and industry group. Consider their market reputation, customer feedback, and any available performance position. There are 2 advantages of supplier identification. The first one is quantity guarantee. Second is cost efficiency. It also has a weakness such as time eating process and geographic challenge. Second step is request for information RFI. Organization use the request for information RFI process to get detailed information about potential supplier capability, product, and service. This step helps organization understand the market, evaluate potential supplier, and decide whether to proceed with request for proposal or request for quotation. They help assess the market availability of the product and is suitable for organization need. This process helps create a shortlist of available vendor for further evaluation. Advantage of request for information is better decision making. Second is cost-effective solution. Disadvantage of request for information, time and resource intensive. Second is no best suitability guarantee. Third step is pre-qualification. In the pre-qualification process, organization begin by sending information request RFI to potential supplier. Next, feedback to RFIs is evaluated using established standard, focusing on technical efficiency, manufacturing capacity, quality control procedure, financial stability, and historical performance. This helps in creating a short list of suppliers that meet the minimum standard for further review. Pre-qualification offers several benefits. The first one is quality guarantee. Second is efficiency. Despite its benefit, pre-qualification also have a some weird drawback, intensive resource and specific resource. Next is request for proposal RFP. A request for proposal is an official document that business use to solid bid for potential supplier or service provider. It provides comprehensive detail about the project or product required, as well as the company criteria and expectation. Main component of an RFP is introduction, scope of work, submission guideline, term and condition, budget and pricing, and timeline. Advantage of RFP is comprehensive bid. Second is clear need and goals. Disadvantage of RFP is time consuming and misunderstanding. Next is supplier audit and inspection. Supplier audit and inspection are systematic evaluation of supplier facility, process, and practice to ensure they meet buyer standard and need. This assessment can be carried out periodically or as needed and involves a detailed review of various aspects of supplier operation. Pre-audit preparation involves determining the scope and objective of the audit, developing an audit plan, and outline the area to be examined. On-site inspection of supplier facility to observe operation, production process, quality control measurement. These include inspection equipment, storage, condition, raw material, and finished product. Advantage of supplier audit inspection is quality guarantee. Second is risk reduction. Weakness of supplier audit and inspection is resource intensive and operational disruption. Next is trial period. Before reaching the final choice, the firm will test the good or service of potential supplier in real world setting during a trial period in supplier selection process. Currently, business may evaluate the reliability, quality, and performance of supplier in a real world operating environment. During the trial phase, medium or limited order are usually placed and the supplier performance is continuously monitored. Advantage of trial period is quality assessment, performance evaluation. Disadvantage of trial period is time consuming and limited scope. Last step is final selection and contract. The final stage of supplier selection process is called final selection and contract. During this stage, the best supplier is selected after thorough evaluation and official contract is made. The final selection process consists of several parts: supplier evaluation, negotiation, legal review, finalization, and integration. Advantage of final selection and contract is clarity and legal protection. Second is long-term relationship. Disadvantage of final selection and contract is time-consuming and intensive resource. Second is administrative and legal cost.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Karen Zahira binti Muhammad Zaini and I will explain the 5 criteria that McDonald's can use to select raw material suppliers and the importance of each for those criteria. 5 key criteria that McDonald's can use in choosing suppliers are quality and safety standards. Since McDonald's is a company that operates globally, this is important to maintain the safety of customers in terms of the quality of the food that will be served. So, it is very important for the supplier to comply with the hazard analysis critical point in order to protect the McDonald's name and brand. Consistency and trust of suppliers is very important because it plays an important role in ensuring to continue operation of a business. When there is a shortage of raw materials, it may result in the branch having to close and some items in the menu having to remove from the list for a while. For example, in 2021, McDonald's in Japan is facing a potato shortage crisis. This caused them to having a reduce the size of their fries. An affordable price offer is an important criteria, especially in fast food industry, where pricing is a key factor in competitiveness. When McDonald's can manage costs efficiently, they can increase their profit margin. If McDonald's can get cheaper raw materials from supplier, they can offer more competitive price to customer, and this will directly attract more customer to buy their product. Choosing a supplier that has a good reputation without any bad records is very helpful and support the business in competitive advantage. The importance of choosing a supplier with a good reputation and track record can reduce risk. This is because they are also more experienced in handling crisis situation or unexpected problems more efficiently. Supplier innovation and flexibility not only focus on supplying raw materials such as bread and meat, and it can even consist of technology. Provider capable of introducing customer to specification technology that can facilitate work. This innovation can flexibility is very important for McDonald's to always meet the demand in the market and be able to compete with other competitors.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Aina Farisha binti Muhammad Faizal. My ID number is 572121230002. So next I will explain about evaluation methods that McDonald's can use. First of all, evaluating potential suppliers is crucial for McDonald's to maintain its high standards of quality, cost effectiveness and reliability. So here are three different methods or tools that McDonald's can use to evaluate potential suppliers along with a comparison of their strengths and weaknesses. So below are the table that shows comparison between supplier audits, supplier scorecards and supplier relationship management, which is SRM software. So look at supplier audits. For your information, supplier audits involve on-site visits to the supplier's facilities to assess their operations, processes, and compliance with McDonald's standards. Through supplier audit method, it has a comprehensive evaluation, which means it allows for a thorough assessment of the supplier's capabilities, including quality control, production processes, and working conditions. However, this method also has weaknesses like resource intensiveness. It requires significant time, money, and personnel to conduct the audits. So second is supplier scorecards. Supplier scorecards are tools that use a set of predefined criteria to rate and compare suppliers. These criteria can include quality, delivery performance, cost, and compliance. However, there are several weaknesses that we need to see through this method, which are limited in depth. It may not capture all nuances of supplier performance, especially qualitative aspects like innovation or cultural fit. So last but not least, SRM software. For your information, SRM software is a digital tool that helps manage and analyze supplier relationships through integrated data on performance, compliance, risk management, and collaboration. So based on strength, this method have comprehensive data integration, which will centralize all supplier-related data for better analysis and decision making. However, these tools might have a high initial cost. Implementing SRM software can be expensive and time-consuming. So by leveraging the strength of each method, McDonald's can effectively manage and optimize its supplier relationships.
Hello, my name is Shamla. I will be explaining about the best method that McDonald's can use in ensuring reliable and comprehensive supplier evaluation. Supplier Relationship Management (SRM) software is the most effective strategy for McDonald's to guarantee accurate and thorough supplier evaluation. According to a thorough analysis of several methods for accessing possible suppliers, this approach provides a comprehensive high-tech solution to the challenging problem of managing supplier relationship. So I will be giving a deep explanation of why SRM software is the best option provided. First is comprehensive data integration. A centralized platform with integrated supplier-related data is made available by SRM software. This contains data on risk assessments, compliance histories, performance metrics, and collaboration histories. McDonald's can quickly access and evaluate data to make defensible decisions to a single centralized repository. For example, SRM software can gather information from multiple audits, certifications, and reports to assess the sustainability practices of McDonald's beef suppliers. Next is automation and efficiency. The automation of many procedures is one of the main benefits of SRM software. By streamlining process like performance monitoring, compliance audits, and communication, the procurement team's manual workload is decreased. Faster decision making and cost savings are the results of this efficiency. Next is predictive analytics and risk management. To protect future performance trends and possible risks, these tools evaluate historical data. In order to avoid supply chain disruptions, McDonald's need to be able to proactively manage its relationship with its supplier and reduce risk. McDonald's can take action to prevent stockouts and customers' dissatisfaction by using the SRM software to detect, for example, a supplier's declining delivery performance trend. Next is customization and flexibility. Because SRM software is highly customizable, McDonald's can modify it to meet its unique requirements. Food safety, ethical sourcing, or cost effectiveness are just a few of the criteria that can be prioritized and tracked by the software. This adaptability guarantees that all of the McDonald's suppliers consistently meet its particular standards and requirements. Next is real-time data and continuous monitoring. Periodic supplier audits and scorecards offer a snapshot of a supplier's performance. SRM software, on the other hand, provides continuous monitoring and real-time data. Keeping an adaptable and flexible supply chain requires constant oversight. McDonald's is able to keep an eye on every step of the supply chain, from the farms to the processing facilities and logistic of transportation by utilizing SRM tools. All suppliers are better able to comply with McDonald's strict quality and safety requirements due to this transparency. In conclusion, McDonald's Corporation has proven to be a highly skilled supplier selection manager by prioritizing supplier reputation, cost effectiveness, consistency, and strict quality and safety standards. McDonald's ensures high quality, safe, and dependable sourcing by carefully assessing possible suppliers using thorough audits, standardized scorecards, and cutting edge SRM software. That is all from us. Thank you.